Good evening, everyone. At the outset, let me tell you this is an outstanding book. Basically, when your producer's wife writes a book, it better be outstanding. A tremendous insight into Shahrukh Khan's life. I'm soon going to do a film with him, so I think this is what I needed the most. It's a great book. I'm sorry, it's a great human being in the book. I think I shall quickly go and read from the end of the book. Shahrukh was at the forefront of the Bollywood explosion. Over the years, the hits piled up, but Shahrukh was no longer just an incredibly successful, money-generating actor. He was the emblem of a new India, the repository of 1.1 billion fantasies. In 2005, the Indian government officially conferred on him the status of model citizen. In 2007, it was announced that Shahrukh would be immortalized in wax at the Madame Tussauds Museum in London. He was the third Bollywood actor recreated in wax after Amitabh Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai. Shahrukh was the ultimate brand ambassador for Bollywood and India. He extended the reach of Hindi films, seducing improbable viewers in distant spaces, and believed that he had bet the cancer gnawing at his kidneys because Shahrukh was on his side. Shahrukh's life was now so fantastic that he could no longer tell the difference between silent. Shahrukh understood well that his deification came with an expiration date. He knew, I know it's going nowhere. At the end of all the awards, rewards, and adulation, I will be an old man coming to a function and people will be thinking, I will be as great as Dilip Kumar or Amitabh Bachchan. Maybe it won't even be that. Maybe I'll be a small dusty man. And he used to tell me, ज़्यादा फोटो मत खींचो. हर फोटो के साथ 3 सेकंड लाइफ के कम हो जाते हैं. Don't have too many pictures taken. Each photograph robs you of 3 seconds of your life. The cameras go khachak, and somebody asks, what happened? And they say, he got photographed to death. He got shot. Please, no flashes.